What's happening, people? My name is Luke. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a short video for you. What I want to show you is, you guys know me, I like to be different. Also, you guys know the color scheme inside the Hulk: red, black, green. My boost control solenoid cover, I want to take that bad boy out, and I want to do something different to it, something that I've never seen anybody done before on the Subi. If you look at my access port real quick, look how beautiful that looks. Green carbon fiber wrap. So I'm no professional, and that's the first one I've ever did. It's not, you know, it came out pretty decent for being my first time. So I want to take this bad boy out and see what I can do to make this stuff match. Okay, so the tools you're going to need to get this boost control solenoid cover off: 10mm wrench. You can use a 10mm socket back here. There's a bolt right back here. There's a bolt here. There's a 12mm right here. And that should be it.
Alright guys, so since this is not a raw metal surface like it comes with, and I painted this before, what I'm doing is I'm taking a fine grit sandpaper, sanding it down. Once I sanded it down, I rubbed it down with isopropyl alcohol, take the backing and the clear film off the wrap, apply some heat, put the wrap over it, use a felt squeegee or a card to smoothen out any lines. Heat is your friend, guys. Heat is your friend.
Alright guys, so while the time lapse was going on, the battery died, so sorry about that. This is the finished product right here. I left the back normal because that's gonna get buried. Nobody's gonna be seeing what's going on back there. What I wanted to do was something quick, but also something unique. So all I did was just top layer. This is what everybody sees. I didn't go crazy doing the bottom or the back or anything like that. Also, this is not bad. This didn't come out too bad for my first time wrapping anything. So guys, obviously in the comments, take it easy on me, but this is my first time, and it doesn't look too bad. This actually looks pretty dope. And as I said, it's something that's to brighten up my engine bay, and it's very, very unique. The holes, like right over here and the one on the side, I'll just use a drill bit just to drill a nice even hole in it instead of using the X-Acto knife. I'll drill a nice even hole in there, not to mess up the wrap or anything like that. And I'm gonna install it back into the engine bay and let you guys see it at the end.
To be out here chasing love, I ain't got the time. Hopping in a rave for it. Pockets are like graveyards, and I'm draping the latest car.
All right, so as you saw from my prior clips, I used the drill bits to create the holes so they're not messy. I put everything back together, and let me tell you, looks pretty dope. And guys, this is my first time doing this. I really didn't expect much, but hey, it was pretty good. My daughter was helping me out with the heat, and sorry for my battery dying. I didn't have the batteries upstairs with me, and I didn't want to stop doing it because she was applying the heat already. So I just didn't want to stop, but you pretty much got most of the gist of what I was doing. Also guys, the reason why I did this, instead of spending $50 where you're buying the one from Perrin or whatever the case might be, you could just take the stock one and make it nice, make it look nice. So I've never seen anybody with this before. I did it on my own, and for my first time doing it, it came out pretty good. And this wrap is pretty inexpensive at Amazon. It's VViVid, from VViVid is the company. It's a pretty dope wrap, and it's pretty cheap. It's very, very cheap. I'll throw the links in the description. And guys, once again, thank you for being patient with me and checking this install out, and I will see you guys soon where I'm gonna do some more to the engine bay. So anyway, you're building it on a budget, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See you next time.
I smash, I bounce, bounce. We don't fake flex, we just chase checks that don't bounce, bounce. Break necks, once that bass hit, let it bounce. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah. Bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah. Bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah. Bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, bankroll, yeah. Bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. No calls. I dropped in and your new bitch unannounced. No call. Fuck how you doing? It's what you do with that mouth. What it do? What it do? Phone dry, but your pussy messed in my cow.